Today I'm going to cook quinoa. Quinoa seed is very powerful ingredients. The seeds are rich protein, high fiber, and vitamin B. So now I'm going to show you how to cook quinoa. So here is the quinoa seed. I got a 300 gram quinoa seed. So I'm going to show you how to cook step by step. Now I put 600 ml water. And stir properly. So now I'm going to cook. So now I start cook quinoa. So until the water boiling, and then you turn down the small fire and put the lid on, slowly cook. So now see the water start boiling. So now it's already boiling the water, so you can turn slow. Let it slowly cook. Let the cooker most water already absorbed. So now you can see water already absorbed by quinoa. You can see now quinoa already absorbed the water. So now I form little bigger fire, switch to small burner to cook, and then now put the lids on. So quinoa, you look now is beautiful. You can see no any water left. So mean ready, quinoa ready, look beautiful. So that how to cook quinoa, pretty easy. So still keep the lids on for 5 minutes, and we switch off the fire. So after 5 minutes, so the quinoa is cooked beautiful. So you can see one by one, so beautiful. So later it cooling down, you can use for making salad, or also you can use quinoa and prawn, make prawn cakes. So if you